Oh yeah? Well, fuck you too, Cynthia. And I don't need to supply you with drugs, okay? And I'm keeping your clothes. Bye, bitch. Hola, habaneros. Today, we're gonna be, filming a nature documentary. Have I done this before? Yes. Does that mean I can't do it again? Definitely not. So we're just gonna find the animals we see in nature and not get caught by a crack whore whose clothes I am not wearing. We're gonna film a really good nature. See, there's a dead tree over there. Fucking. How could a bitch who's always goddamn high lock it this good? Fuck, she's coming out. Ow. What is she doing? Huh! That was nature. It's a bug. Fuck. So there's some trees, some nature. So, hey, imagine you're in a situation where you've been supplying a drug addict with drugs, and like she's not very powerful, but like her dad is, and he could totally like, send someone to kill you. But you don't want to supply people with drugs. What do you do? Also, if you're hiding in some bushes and she's coming to find you, yeah, what do you do in that situation? Just wondering. Also, you're wearing her clothes. Completely hypothetical. So wait, just want to make that clear. This is just hypothetical. But what would you do? What do you do in that situation? I definitely don't know. I'm asking for a friend who has a very bad life. Yeah, what do you do? Hi, me again. Another hypothetical question. What if the girl who is addicted to drugs and is chasing, the person who in this scenario would be me, but it's not me, it's hypothetical, decided to call her dad, who, has like mercenaries on hire, like 24/7, so if he ever needs to like come, kill someone, just, hey, couldn't kill this person, and then they're dead a little bit later. What do you do? Hypothetical, of course, 100% hypothetical. Anyway, it's nature documentary. Look, there's some more trees. There's probably some bugs on that. Right there. There's a bird. I'm a part of nature. I'm alive. Oh, hey, another hypothetical question. What if, the girl, the drug addict with like a father, everyone has a father, whatever, actually is calling him right now on a house phone inside that house that I just left and I'm probably locked out of. Oh, wait, she's a crack whore. She probably didn't remember to lock it. Hold up. Oh, Jesus, if there is a God. Pray she didn't lock it. She didn't lock it. She's passed out on the couch. Oh, shit. Okay, I gotta call. Okay, there's no way she memorized his numbers. There's gotta be some paper with her dad's number on it somewhere. What? Yes. The Cheerio box, of course. Okay. 791 888 6477. Is that even enough numbers for a phone number? Hello, Daddy. I just realized I was on a really bad trip, and called you, and I said that there was that my supplier was like stealing my stuff, but like that's a lie. I was just on a really bad trip. I realized that my dealer lives a couple cities away. How could they steal my stuff? Like, so send me more money and don't kill that like drug-induced person I talked about. Thanks, Daddy. Bye. That was a roller coaster ride from beginning to end. Anyway, if you have any answers for the hypothetical, theoretical question, they're obsolete now. The columnist who was writing about the hypothetical situation doesn't exist. So bye. Thanks for watching my nature documentary. Look, more nature. Wood comes from trees, which come from, you guessed it, nature. Over to my outro. Go ahead and click subscribe, please.